Hello everybody, good morning. Is the audibility absolutely fine? Am I audible to each and every one of you? Great. Is the audibility absolutely fine, guys? Nice. Each one of you, please let me know if the audibility is absolutely fine. Great. So I think the audibility is absolutely perfect. Shall I start the session? So I think the audibility is absolutely perfect. So I can see that the students who are there on Ravindra Babu sir's channel, the audibility is absolutely perfect. The student in the Creatrix channel, on the Creatrix channel, is the audibility absolutely fine? Shall I proceed? Great. Echo is because, okay fine, let me mute this. Alright, so shall we start? Let me check on the other channel as well if the audibility is absolutely perfect, and then we are good to go. Let me check the other channel as well, and then we are absolutely good to go. Yes, I think we are perfect. Great. So the audibility is absolutely fine in both. Perfect. Right. So I think there is no problem whatsoever to both the students who have logged in on Ravindra Babu sir's channel and the students who are there on Creatrix. In case of any doubt, in case of any reservations, you can send me a message. I'll see to that. Right? I'm putting up my phone over here and let's start. So yesterday we have started the session. That was the very first session. Yesterday in the morning 8 a.m. that was the very first session of ours. And then I took one more session at 10 late evening. First of all, how many of you have attended both the sessions? Just let me know. Or even if you have attended one session, just write one. If you have attended both the sessions, you can write two or both. And if you are actually coming over here for the very first time, just let me know. So how many of you have attended both the sessions? Just write two or both. Those guys who are coming over here for the very first time, what they can do, they can write, this is the first time they're coming. There's noise, just a minute, we'll sort it out. Don't worry, we'll sort it out. Right? Great. Both the sessions you have attended, great, well done, nice. Do make sure you jot down every single point. So to all the people who are coming over here for the very first time, I'll be taking sessions for 9 days and I take 2 sessions per day. I'll make up an announcement right at the end regarding some special sessions that will be available on YouTube. So you can avail the benefit of that as well. I'll make the announcement right at the end. Don't worry about it. Right? Because all of you are very sincere aspirants. So I decided to put up a few more extra classes other than these classes. So I'll be taking 9 days session on 9 different days. Yesterday was the very first day. This is day 2. And I've taken 2 classes yesterday and I will be taking 2 more classes today and like this. So all in all, I'll be taking 18 sessions. The duration will be somewhere around 90 minutes to 120 minutes. That is, it will last 30 to 36 hours, probably more than that as well. So this will really going to help you out, guys. To all those people who have not yet started aptitude, do make sure that you write every single piece of detail, whatever I tell you. So will that be enough? Enough is a very dicey number. Enough is a very dicey word. But that will help you to secure a very good marks. After going through the entire these sessions, you will be probably, I feel, you feel extremely confident. Before starting today's session, this is what Les Brown said. Les Brown, there are many motivational speakers, there are many self-help books written. My personal favorites are Jim Rohn, Tony Robbins, Les Brown, Zig Ziglar, Napoleon Hill. There are many people, Viktor Frankl, many people. Les Brown once said, someone's opinion of you should never become your destiny. कोई और आपके बारे में क्या बोलता है, ये आपकी तकदीर नहीं बननी चाहिए. The entire session I'll be taking in bilingual, so don't worry about it. To all the people who are from the northern part of India and to southern part and rest of the India, right? So that we can cover the India, so that we can cover students pan India. I want you people to write down in the comment box, especially all those people who have already abandoned their studies, those people who have given up. Absolutely fine. We can resurrect, we can rise from our ashes. आज डिसाइड कीजिए, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. declare this world. Hello world, game on. I want you people to write down in the comment box, hello world, game on. Each and every one of you, please jot down in the comment box and declare this to the world and to yourself deep down the gut that you are ready for a fight. You will not going to give up. You will going to have a fantastic fight. You will fight tooth and nail. How long should you fight? Till the very end. How long should I walk till I find my oasis? Right? Declare this world, hello world, game on. And let's start today's session. Great. Absolutely. Nice. So I think we should start. Let's start then. Listen to this. All my classes will be absolutely independent. So even if you're coming over here for the very first time, you will be able to understand. That won't be a problem. Just to take a point, reference point, what it said yesterday. I have given you a very basic question yesterday. Exactly this was the question. If you remember, this was the question, right? This basically is an infinite GP. कल बीते रोज मैंने आपको ये सवाल दिया था. अगर आप इसे देखेंगे तो ये बेसिकली एक इनफाइनाइट जीपी है. मैं पूरे सेशंस में द्विभाषी रहूंगा. आई विल बाइलिंगुअल ड्यूरिंग द एंटायर सेशन, सो डोंट वरी, राइट? इवन इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश और हिंदी, आपको समझ में सब कुछ आएगा. यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी सिंगल पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. Although we have discussed this. Yeah, I know we have discussed this. Let the magic begin. We'll create magic. This is what we have already discussed. ये जो चीज मैं स्क्रीन पे लिख रहा हूं, ये हमने कल ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया था. लेकिन ठीक है ना, फिर मतलब मैंने क्या पढ़ाया ऐसे में, तो ये तो ठीक है. फिर इसमें कुछ मैं आपको एक्स्ट्रा बताता हूं, तब तो मजा आएगा आपको. सो दिस इज हाफ. Small r is second term divided by first term. That is why this is half. And that is how this pans out to be this. Yeah, we have discussed this. And sir, you told us that in the year 2018, IIT Guwahati has given similar question. Yes, indeed they have. Sir, but why are you giving this question once again? I said IIT Guwahati made the paper in the year 2018. They haven't given the very same question, but a very similar one. 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 64 and so on. That was the question. Sir, but why are you taking this question once again? I'm not taking this question same once again. I'm paraphrasing the very same question. मैं same question नहीं ले रहा हूं. मैं इसी question को paraphrase कर रहा हूं, वापस repackaging कर रहा हूं. देखो कैसे repackaging कर रहे हैं, चलो देखते हैं. This is what we have discussed. Let us suppose if you have got a square. ठीक है सर, स्क्वायर है तो है. एंड इफ आई कनेक्ट द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर एंड देन वंस अगेन आई कनेक्ट द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर एंड देन वंस अगेन लिसन टू दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली, राइट? एंड जॉट डाउन एवरी सिंगल पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड इफ आई कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस, सर व्हाट इज दैट यू आर डूइंग? आई एम कनेक्टिंग द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर. सर यहां पर आप कर क्या रहे हैं? जो सबसे बड़ा स्क्वायर है उसका मिड पॉइंट लिया मैंने, अंदर एक स्क्वायर बनाया, फिर मैंने मिड पॉइंट लिया, फिर एक स्क्वायर बनाया, फिर एक मिड पॉइंट लिया, फिर एक अंदर स्क्वायर बनाया. आई डिड इट इनडेफिनेटली. Indefinitely is another way of saying infinitely. Listen to this. We can always solve this. Square, regular geometry here, it's a symmetrical geometry, so we can always solve this. We can take this 1, this is 1, root 2. We can solve this. So let's make a small funda. What is that? ध्यान से सुनना. Listen to this very, very carefully. I want a very good, nice color. Let's take this one. This is VR, and we are running from outside to inside of the square. Now listen to this. Every single thing which has got unit of centimeter. What did I say? Every single thing which has got unit of centimeter. Let us suppose side of the square. So if the outermost square is A, then the immediate next would be 1 by root 2. This is not a bad idea, man. Sir, you mean to say that the immediate second square would be 1 by root 2? Yes. And after this, the side would be 1 by root 2 square. That is nice. After this would be 1 by root 2 cube. Yes, absolutely. And so on. That is not at all a bad idea. Listen to this very, very carefully. So I started to run right from outside to inside of the square. And what I found, if the side of the outermost square is A, the immediate next one would be A by root 2. And immediate after that would be A by root 2 square, A by root 2 cube, A by root 2, and so on. It means, sir, once we move from outside to inside, you are saying that multiplied 1 by root 2. Yes, that's it. जब आप बाहर से अंदर की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं तो आप ये सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं सर कि आप 1 by root 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएं. Yes. And there's one more thing I said. This is valid for all those things whose unit is centimeter. Side has got centimeter. There is something called perimeter as well. If the perimeter of the outermost square is P, this can be written as P by root 2. Furthermore, this can be written as P by root 2 square and so on. Fabulous. This is not at all a bad idea. It means, think of this. If perimeter of the outermost square is given as 400 centimeter. Let us suppose this outermost square has got perimeter of 400 centimeter, and if we are asked this orange color, the perimeter of this orange square, so 400 by root 2, further 400 by root 2 square, it means 400 by 2, the answer pops out to be 200 centimeter. That is it. So this is a very good point. Listen to this. There's something more. What is that? This is not just true for this case. So, even ये सिर्फ इसके लिए ही true है ऐसा नहीं है. अगर मैं एक सर्कल यहां पे बनाता हूं, if I draw a circle over here, furthermore, if I keep on drawing this, once again, this is equally true, man. ये फिर से true है. सर क्या फिर से ट्रू है वो मैं बताता हूं आपको. क्या फिर से ट्रू है? अगर आपने सर्कल बनाया है, इफ यू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, once again when you move from outside to inside, everything which has got unit of centimeter, in all these cases you may write, what you can write, if the outermost radius is small r, this would be r by root 2, r by root 2 square and so on. R by root 2 square and so on. And not just this, even the circumference C by root 2, C by root 2 square and so on. This is a very good point. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Absolutely. Well done. And you won't believe this. This question was asked in CAT long back, but it was asked. अगर मैं आपका पेपर बना रहा होता, if I would have been preparing your paper, I would have straight away given this question this very year. I want answer from your side. If the circumference of this outermost circle is 100 centimeter, what would be the circumference of, if this is the first circle, this second, this third, I want the circumference of third circle. Go ahead. If the circumference of the outermost circle is 100 centimeter, then not the second, but I want the circumference for the third circle. Go ahead, shoot. Make it faster, everybody, guys. Very nice. Absolutely. Absolutely. 100 by root 2. 100 by root 2 square, which is 100 by 2, and this pans out to be 50 centimeter. This is not at all a bad idea. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Whatever I say, please jot every single piece of information. That will really help. Baki otherwise, up to you. Right? That is fine? Great. Sir, this was a very good point. Wait for 1 second. Sir, 1 second wait करने क्यों बोल रहे? देखो तो सही. Categorically, I'm saying that I have taken an equilateral triangle. What I said? I have taken an equilateral triangle. I have taken an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. In case of equilateral triangle, if I do exactly the very same thing, if I connect the midpoint of the first side, second side and third side, and if I keep on doing this, once again, listen to this. If you run from outermost triangle towards the innermost triangle, whatever has got unit of centimeter, क्या करने का? Keep on multiplying by half. That's it. Sir, you mean to say that if, let us suppose, the side of the outermost square is small a, what you are suggesting is a, so this would be a by 2 square. Don't you think it is quite similar to the question which was asked in the year 2018 when IIT Guwahati made the paper? When you're talking about the circumference, when you're talking about centimeter, क्या लगता है आपको perimeter भी तो ले सकते हैं ना? What do you think? Can't we take perimeter as well? P upon P by 2 square and so on. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine? Great, well done. Is it fine? Keep writing every single piece of information, right? Why just this? And you won't believe this question was asked in the year 2016 in CAT. Whoa, 2016, that makes it automatically important. The mother of all the entrance exams, the mother of all the aptitude based entrance exams is CAT. So if something is important in CAT, something already came in CAT, that becomes automatically important for rest of the exams. And why just this? If I draw a circle over here, so will this be equally valid? Of course it will be. The radius of outermost circle is r by 2 का स्क्वायर. सर क्या ये इस केस में भी वैलिड होगा? हाँ, इस केस में भी ये वैलिड होगा. सो सर्कमफेरेंस अगर c है, सो c by 2 square. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it absolutely perfect? Basically, this is called circumradius and this is called inradius, but that is not required. I will be relevant. I will be talking about those things which are relevant to your exam. I can discuss all these things, जितना भी आपको चाहिए, but I want to be relevant as per your exam, right? So whatever I say, that's why I'm saying, whatever I say, please jot this down, right? I want an answer. Let us suppose circumference of this outermost circle is 400 centimeter. I want you people to tell me in the comment box the circumference of not this second but the third circle, this one. Comment box, everybody, make it fast. Take 10 seconds and mark the answer. Yes, I have told only about the square and the triangle. Anjali, who said this? Alpati Surya, yeah. Surya, yes. Symmetrical geometry, Surya. Okay, chalo. So because Surya said something, so let me discuss one. I don't want to go like, I don't want to sound irrelevant. Otherwise, we can take pentagon, hexagon, everything. Absolutely correct. 400 by 2, 200, and then further. 400 divided by 2 square. So the answer would be 100 centimeter. Is it fine, everybody? Surya, when you take 6 equilateral triangle, it becomes regular hexagon. That's it, right? So we can, if you want, we can talk similar kind of thing about hexagon as well. Is it clear to each and every one of you? From my side, put up a single star on this and single star on this, and from my side, I probably feel this is important to your exam. So मेरी तरफ से इसके ऊपर एक लगाइएगा single star because this is quite similar to what we have discussed in yesterday's class as well. हम लोगों ने यही चीज कल की क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया है. आई थिंक दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. यार एक बात बताओ, जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, लेट्स टेक इट ऑन द पॉइंट. ध्यान से सुनना. द पॉइंट विच आई एम अबाउट टू डिस्कस is a very relevant, very good point. And in your exam, in the year 2016 and 2018, 2016 ISC Bangalore made the paper and 2018 IIT Guwahati made the paper. So in the year 2016 and 2018, they have given similar concept. What is that they have given? Forget about that. First, let's come to the point. If I say 23, I have written 23. मैंने लिखा है बोर्ड पे 23. What is 23? 23 is just a 2-digit number, right? It's a very innocuous 2-digit number. What does that mean? 23 means 2 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power of 0. Sir, what is this? क्या लिखा है सर आपने? इसको कहते हैं फेस वैल्यू, इसको कहते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू, यूनिट्स प्लेस एंड टेंस प्लेस. ओके, so this 2 and 3, they are the face values. 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, they are the place values. Listen to this very, very carefully. Okay. एक बात बताओ, just tell me one thing. Let me generalize this. Let's take a 2-digit number as x, y. So if someone says that x, y is a 2-digit number, what does that mean? अगर कोई कहता है कि xy एक 2-digit नंबर, इसका मतलब क्या है? x into 10 to the power of 1 plus y into 10 to the power of 0. Sir, how do you come to know that we should write it like this? आपको कैसे पता चला ऐसे लिखना? I've just reciprocated the information what I've understood and just above this. Because x is at 10th place, that is why 10 to the power of 1 and y in 10 to the power of 0. That's fine. Right? Let us suppose if we have been told that please reverse this number. Okay. Reverse कर दिया original number को xy को. So what is this that we have actually got this. ध्यान से सुनना. Listen to this very, very carefully. I've taken a 2-digit number as xy. So if xy is a 2-digit number, it means x into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. If we've reversed the digits, yx, y into 10 to the power of 1 and x into 10 to the power of 0. And furthermore, we have been told that the difference between the reverse and the original number is 45. This has been given to us. The difference between what? The difference between reverse and the original number is 45. Let us suppose 45. Great. So in this case, we can see that this is basically 10y plus x minus 10x plus y, and this is 45. 10y minus y, this is 9y minus 9x, that is this. It is equals to 45. That is not at all a bad idea. It means y minus x is equals to 5. If a 2-digit number xy, that is 10x plus y, is reversed yx, 10y plus x. Listen to this carefully, then I'll tell you the question. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, फिर मैं आपको प्रश्न बताता हूं जो आपसे पूछा गया था. जब इसे रिवर्स किया गया, yx किया गया, तब ये पाया गया कि reverse and original number का difference है 45. Then we actually come to know that the reverse and the difference between the reverse and the original number is 45. This exactly means y minus x is equals to 5. How many such cases are possible? So instead of doing it like this, that we are thinking about a 2-digit number and then reversing it and then subtracting it, we can directly solve it like this. Sir, how come like this? All those cases where y minus x is equals to 5. What is y and x? A 2-digit number. These are single digits. So 9 minus 4 can be 5. 8 minus 3 can be 5. 7 minus 2 can be 5. 6 minus 1 can be 5. 5 minus 0. But in this case, if you see, the 2-digit numbers would be like this. The 2-digit number would be 49, 94, 38, 83, 27, 72, 16, 61, 05. But 05 is not a 2-digit number. Oh yes, absolutely. क्योंकि 05 2-digit number तो है नहीं. That is why we need to scrap it off. So these are the cases which are actually possible. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? What was the stuff that we've understood? Let us suppose xy is a 2-digit number. If xy is a 2-digit number and if we have reversed the digits, that is, it became yx. It has been found that the difference between the reverse number and the original number is 45. Now after this we can ask 3 questions can be asked. First, how many such cases are possible? इसके बाद 3 क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, फिर मैं आपको सवाल बताऊंगा जो पूछा गया. सॉरी, इसके बाद 3 सवाल पूछा जा सकता है. First, how many such cases are possible? These are the cases which are possible. This is the first one, 4994. This is the second one, 3883. This is the third one, 2772. And this is the fourth one, 1661. Sir, this is the first question, na? Yes. Sir, ये पहला प्रश्न है जो पूछा जा रहा है. पहला प्रश्न क्या पूछा गया? Total number of cases. Second, what is the second question that can be asked? Out of all these cases, how many cases are there where both the numbers are prime? Usually, you come across these three questions. Even number can't be prime, cannot be prime, cannot be prime, cannot be prime. So there is no case. Third, out of all these cases, which is the case where they'll ask a definite sum? For example, in this case, 9 plus 4 is 13, 8 plus 3 is 11, 7 plus 2 is 9, and this is 7. Let us suppose if it has been asked, out of all these cases, which is the case where the sum of the two digits is equals to 9. So there is only one case, and that is this. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? If xy is a two-digit number, the reverse would be yx. You know what is the best part? This is the best part. एक बार आप इसको गौर से देखो. See to this very, very carefully. What is that I have written? ध्यान से देखना, मस्त से मिस मत करना. Listen to this. When it has been mentioned that the difference between the reverse of two digit and two digit is 45, it automatically means that 45 is divisible by 9. This 9. So it automatically means y minus x is equals to 5. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear, everybody? Sir, you mean to say that this number will be divisible by 9? Of course. Of course. Otherwise, we're not going to have an integral solution possible. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ. Is it fine? Right? Great. I think this is absolutely clear. Sir, you've said this particular question was, this particular pattern was asked in GATE exam. Yes, it was asked. And this is what they have asked. In the year 2000, is everybody clear? Yes. Is each and every one of you clear with everything? Great, well done. From my side, put up a single star on this. In the year 2016, either you will solve this question or I'll leave this question as such. Fine? That's the deal. या तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को बना रहे हो या तो मैं छोड़ दूंगा. आप लोग मेरे स्टूडेंट हो. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि ना बने. IISc Bangalore has given this question. IISc Bangalore has given this question. What is the question IISc Bangalore has given? There's a two-digit number and it has been found that the sum of the two digits is 12. Look at this. This is how they have started. The sum of two, let me write it. The sum of two digits is 12. Fabulous. And it has been found that the reverse of the two-digit number, okay, and the two-digit number, the difference between the reverse of the two-digit number and the two-digit number is 54. Great. Then they have asked what is the original number. Then they have asked what is the original number. They have asked, you want me to give option? चलो ठीक है, मैं option दे ही देता हूँ. Option was 39. This is the first option. Second option, after 39, the second option is 57. This is exactly the very same option जो इन्होंने दिया था. ये मेरा option नहीं है. This is not my option. Third option is 66 and fourth option is 93. Yeah, go ahead. I'm giving you 1 minute to solve this and I want an immediate answer. Go ahead. Very good, Shabash, absolutely. How many of you have got the answer? Mohammad Zubair, yes. Arnab Jha, great. Lalit, 66 बोलना crime है Lalit. 66 crime है, crime. राहुल यार क्या कर रहे हो यार? यामिनी, अर्नब, निशा, राहुल, यश अग्रवाल, मेहर, सोनम, सार्थक, यश, ठीक है. Many of you have got the answer. Let's see. Yeah, ठीक है ना. We have understood this, man. We have understood this. Sir, what is that we've understood? This actually means y minus x. 9 से कट करो ना. It is equals to 6. That's it. That is it. Oh, great, yeah. It means y is equals to 9 using this and this equation. 2y is equals to 18, y equal to 9, and x is equals to 3. So what is the original number? xy is the original number. If xy is the original number, the answer must be 39. But I really found these two options very interesting. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ISC बैंगलोर ने A और D ट्रैप रखा हुआ था, बाकी तो सब ऐसा ही था. सर अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व नहीं करता, इवन विदाउट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन, क्या मैं इसका आंसर निकाल सकता था? हाँ, यस ऑफ कोर्स निकाल सकता था. हाउ कम? कैसे निकाल सकता था? They have said that the sum of these two numbers is 12. So 12, 3 plus 9, 12, 5 plus 7, 12, 12, 12. But the difference between the reverse and the original number is 54. So this cannot be the answer. The original number has to be smaller. The original number. So this can be reverse number. This cannot be the original number. So rejected. If this is the original number, the reverse must be equals to 75. But the difference is not 54. This is the answer. It would have taken just 10 to 15 seconds. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Right? Very good. Uzma ने solve किया ऐसा, बहुत बढ़िया उज़मा. Great. Sir, you said that the similar question actually was asked in the year 2018. Sir, आपने कहा कि similar तरह का सवाल पूछा गया था 2018 में भी. Yes. 2018 IIT Guwahati made the paper and this is what they've asked. 2018 IIT Guwahati made the paper. IIT Guwahati made the paper and this is what they have asked. Ready हो जाइएगा. सवाल फिनिश करने के पहले आपको आंसर देना है. राइट? ध्यान से देखिएगा क्या पूछा था. This is what they have said. The sum of the two digits is equals to 9. And when 45 is subtracted from the original number, you get the reverse. Fabulous. Once again, they've asked what is the original. I've written in short. What is the original number? मैंने short में लिखा है. What is the original number? The options they have given was 63, 72, 81. Check the options first. And 9090. This is what they have given. 63, 72, 81 and 9090. Go ahead. Don't take more than 30 seconds. Don't take more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds से ज़्यादा मत लीजिएगा. This question, this is not my question. This question was given by IISc Bangalore. Very good. Well done. What is that? Excellent, man. Well done. If anybody says fourth, अगर किसी ने fourth बोला, वो खुद log out करके चले जाना. Right? If anybody wants to say fourth, the person is free to leave the class. Because 90 is fine, but 09 is not a two-digit number. So saying that 90 is the correct answer is not less than a crime. Is indeed a crime. What is the meaning of this, man? The original number minus the reverse is equals to 45. Okay, fine. If this is the case, the original number must be greater. So the original number is 63, 36. 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is absolutely fine. We can solve this and we can directly check this as well. So 63 minus 36, that won't be 45. You can check the unit digit. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So no, this is not 45. 81 minus 18, 11 minus 8 is 3. Incorrect. 72 minus 27. Just check the unit digit. 12 minus 7, 5. This is the correct answer. Is it fine, everybody? क्या सभी के सारे बच्चों क्लियर है? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, रिवर्स करके यूनिट डिजिट चेक किया. I've just reversed the number and checked the unit digit. See, the unit digit must be 5, right? The unit digit ought to be 5. यूनिट डिजिट को तो 5 होना होगा ना. तो 63 का रिवर्स क्या हुआ? 36. 13 minus 6 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. So that won't work. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Everybody has got the answer. Great, well done. I think it is clear to each and every one of you. Shall we proceed further? क्या हम आगे जा सकते हैं अगर सभी को क्लियर है तो? मुझे ऐसा लगता है because most of you have got the correct answers. That is why. क्योंकि आप में से ज्यादातर लोगों को करेक्ट आंसर मिला, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक बढ़िया एडवेंचर डिजर्व करते हो. एक बढ़िया आपको ब्रीदिंग स्पेस देता हूं. 13, 17, 19 M, M, Q, S. Find the answer. Find the answer. This question was asked in the year 2018. 2014. खड़गपुर, कानपुर, IIT खड़गपुर. IIT कानपुर ने तो 2015 का पेपर बनाया था. Mark the answer. सर लेकिन ऑप्शन, I don't want to give any option. Go ahead. मुझे ऑप्शन देना ही नहीं है. मुझे ऑप्शन नहीं देना अभी. सर बट द ऑप्शंस मस्ट बी देयर. देन लीव द क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शंस तो खुद से निकाल देंगे यार. ऑप्शंस लेंगे क्या यार? बहुत बढ़िया. एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज दैट इज रिटन? प्राइम नंबर्स. Okay, it is prime numbers we are talking about, and the alphabet for the very same thing. 13, 17, 19. Sir, how you come to know that we are not talking about odd numbers? अगर हम odd numbers के बारे में बात कर रहे होते ना, we would have written 15 over here. And that is why it should not be 21, it should be 23. And what is 23? W. That's it. You've got 1 marks. You have got 1 marks. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? मेरे ख्याल से तो क्लियर है. क्या सभी लोग साथ चल रहे हैं? क्या सभी के सभी लोग साथ चल रहे हैं? पहले ये मुझे बताओ. राइट? ग्रेट. यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि हम लोग लाइफ के बैटल में कभी कभी जो चीज लैक करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कमिटमेंट. इन द रियल बैटल ऑफ लाइफ एट टाइम्स व्हाट लैक्स इज द कन्विक्शन, द कमिटमेंट. अगर आपने सोच लिया है, इफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस एग्जाम, देन व्हाटएवर यू हैव, व्हाटएवर रिसोर्सेज यू हैव, व्हाटएवर अमाउंट ऑफ करेज यू आर लेफ्ट विथ, गो ऑल आउट फॉर इट. कमेंट बॉक्स में सभी लोग लिखेंगे करेज नीड्स कन्विक्शन. लिखिएगा करेज नीड्स कन्विक्शन. आई वांट पीपल टू राइट, आई वांट यू गाइस टू राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स करेज नीड्स कन्विक्शन. And that is why don't be a maybe in life. Whatever you do, go all out for it. There's no point being a maybe. Why we want to be a maybe? Whatever we do, go tooth and nail to achieve it. Courage needs conviction. लिखेगा सारे के सारे बच्चे comment box में. Shall we proceed further? Great. Right? Let's start. Once again, a very small point, but indeed a very nice point actually. What is that? Sum. What kind of sum? Very basic point. Very, very basic. एक बढ़िया बुनियादी point आपसे discuss करता हूँ. Sum of natural numbers. N natural numbers. अरे सर ये तो बच्चे वाली चीज आप बता रहे सर. This is quite childish. Childish, just a sec. Childish or childlike? Sir, this is quite childish. No, what do you want to say? Childish or childlike? Sir, what you were saying was quite childish. So, what is that? No, childish or childlike? Sir, forget about it. That was rice. ये बोलोगे ना, आप छोड़िए सर, आप जाने दीजिए, सही था. This question was asked in CAT, which makes it important to your exam. When you use the word childish, it's a negative word. It means naiveness, naive, tyro, callow, apprentice, immature, young upstarts, parvenus. And when you say childlike, positive. I don't like this kind of childish behavior. मुझे इस तरह का बचकाना behavior पसंद नहीं है. Childish is a negative word. Whosoever is your favorite actor or actress. Let's suppose you like ये शेट्टी साहिबा हो गई हमारी बाहुबली वाली, या फिर क्या नाम उनका छोटे हेड के आलिया भट्ट जी हो गई. You said I like her childlike behavior. Childlike behavior, not childish behavior. Childlike behavior, like a kid, very innocent. So when you use the word childlike, it's a positive word. It's an out and out positive word. It means innocence. And when you use the word childish, it is immature-ish behavior. Fine? Put up a single star on this. Put up a single star on this. And that is why I'll be taking an extra class on vocab today itself. I'll let you know right at the end. Don't worry. That I haven't planned actually. I've planned it yesterday, but I'll be taking a class today itself. Don't worry. Right? That will help you out in vocabulary as well. So the sum of first n natural numbers would be half First n natural numbers would be half n into n plus 1. That's nice. That's very beautiful. Sir, can we write something for odd numbers? Odd numbers ka matlab? Like 1, 3, 5 and so on. These kind of odd numbers. Yes. And what is that? Very simple. N square. That is interesting. And sir, for even numbers, in case if you want to write something for even numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on. This is for even number, that is n into n plus 1. I want you people to write this down absolutely crisp and clearly. This n square, n plus 1, half n into n. Are we done with this? I want you people to write this. So for n natural numbers, the sum would be half n into n plus 1. And in case of odd numbers, let's take only one number. So 1 square is 1. Let's take two numbers, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 square is 4. Let's take three numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Let's keep it very, very simple. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 square is 9. Fabulous. Let's take only the first number. So in that case, 1 plus 1 is 2. That's it. Let's take two numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Let's take three numbers. 6 plus 4 plus 2, 12. 3 into 4 is 12. That's great. Is it fine, everybody? क्या सभी को यहां तक क्लियर है? Fine. Is it clear? ठीक. Someone has asked why n square. I can take derivation, but that is not required right now. ठीक है. जिस बच्चे ने पूछा ना n square, मैं डेरिवेशन ले सकता हूँ यार. एंड n टर्म्स ले लो ना, t1 t2 t3 करके Sn निकाल दो, बन जाएगा. It's not that difficult. डिफिकल्ट है क्या? याद है कि नहीं अपन लोग कैसे निकालते थे? स्पेशल सीक्वेंसेस जो हम पढ़ते थे क्लास 11th में, ये करता t1 t2 t3 t4 and what you used to do? Sn. Sn is t1 plus t2 plus t3. In general, irrespective of the fact what kind of series are we talking about, this is what Sn means. When you use the word Sn, this is what you mean. t1 plus t2 plus t2 plus t3 and so on up to tn. This is what we write. याद आया? Is it fine? ठीक है? Great. Well done. Not in your exam, but you will be surprised and amazed. Not in your exam, but in the year 2017, I guess. In the year 2017, in SSC, they've asked this. What did I say? In case of odd numbers, I said directly n square. Before taking that question, let me take my question. If we are talking about the sum for the first 5 numbers, please jot down the answer. If I have taken first 5 odd numbers, what do you think? What should be the sum? S5 or 5 consecutive odd numbers. What do you think? What should be the sum? Anyways, we can add it, but at the same time, we can write yes. Instead of adding it, what we can do? N square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can directly write n square, that is 5 square, that is 25. Is it fine, everybody? Yeah, it is absolutely fine. So you mean to say that if I write it like this, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on, 9 plus 11. Can anybody tell me the answer? S11. What is the answer? Go ahead. What is the answer? Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. Don't take more than 10 seconds. फटाफट बनाएंगे, 10 सेकंड ज्यादा मत लीजिए. Well done. 10 seconds ज्यादा मत लीजिए. Don't take more than 10 seconds. How many numbers are there? 11. Okay, 11 square. 121. So you were saying something that some question was asked in SSC 2017. Yes, they have. In SSC 2017 multi-staff exam, they have asked this particular question. Multitasking staff exam actually. They've asked this question. What was the question? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on. Up to what? 15 consecutive odd numbers. Go ahead. S15. I think this question is good enough to come in your exam as well. ये हालांकि आपके एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन द ईयर 2017. Whatever year I say will be absolutely authentic. ध्यान रखिएगा, मैंने अगर ईयर बोला है क्लास में तो ऑथेंटिक रहेगा, अदरवाइज मैं बोलूंगा ही नहीं क्लास में. Absolutely correct. Well done. Well done. Basically, this is 15 square, which is 225. Correct है? Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Well done. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. मेरे ख्याल से यहां तक सभी क्लियर है. अच्छा यार, एक बात बताओगे क्या? Right? Let's play with this. Let's suppose we've got 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. Very nice. What I've done, I've taken even numbers. यहां पे मैंने क्या किया? मैंने even numbers लिया. सुनना, अगर मुझे यहां पे कोई बोले ना S5 निकालो, ठीक है, मैं तो ऐड तो कर ही सकता हूं. I can always add this, or I can directly take n into n plus 1. Yeah, absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So anyways, we're going to get 30. Don't miss this. 10 plus 2 is 12. This is 12 and this is 6. So 12, 12, 24 plus 6. और अगर मन कर ही रहा आपका तो n into arithmetic mean. n is number of terms, arithmetic mean is 6. So आप चाहो तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. Which is fine, that's not a problem. सही है ना? That's not a problem. Yeah, that is not a problem. If that is not the problem, then I want you people to tell me the answer for this one. 20 plus 18 plus 16. Go ahead. I want the answer. Don't take more than 20 seconds. 20 seconds से ज़्यादा मत लेना. 20 सेकंड काफी है. फटाफट फटाफट, रुकना नहीं है. 20 सेकंड ज़्यादा नहीं लेने का. Don't take more than 20 seconds. क्या क्या लिखा आपने? वेरी गुड, नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया. सो S10, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? 10 टर्म्स. सो दिस इज 10 into 11. ध्यान से सुनना, लिसन टू दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. देयर इज अनदर वे ऑफ आस्किंग द वेरी सेम क्वेश्चन. कैसे? I may write 20, 18, 16 and I can erase this. And what I can ask? I may ask you find the sum, but what kind of sum? Maximum sum. Sir, so you mean to say that this word maximum is important? Yes, of course. If it is a decreasing sequence 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, and if you want to find the maximum sum, it automatically means the last positive number. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Sir, can we have an example? Of course we should have. 50 plus 48 plus 46. Yeah, find the maximum sum. Go ahead. Don't take more than 30 seconds. Don't take more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 50 plus 48 plus 46 plus 44 plus 42 and so on. Go ahead. Find the maximum sum. Let's see. Very nice. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. So how many terms will be there? n into n plus 1. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 25 into 26. That is 650. Is it clear, everybody? I think most of you have got the correct answer. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया. I think it is absolutely clear. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? चलो 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 फटाफट यार, इतना नहीं रुकना है. सर बट यू नो व्हाट, बताओ क्या? सर आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज रियली दैट इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं कि सर ये बच्चों वाली चीज़ है सर. आई डोंट नो, प्रोबेबली IIT don't agree with you. मतलब सर 2013 IIT Bombay made the paper. 2013 IIT Bombay made the paper and this is what they gave. They said 44 plus 42 plus, plus 40 and so on. Find the maximum sum. Anyone who can tell me the answer in next 20 seconds? Anyone who can tell me the answer in next 20 seconds? Go ahead. है कोई क्या 20 सेकंड वाला कोई है क्या अपने पास? Anyone who can tell me the answer in next 20 seconds? Go ahead. I don't give you any option. प्रद्युमन मलिक, सर जीरो ऐड करने से क्या चेंज होगा? सर what will going to change if we add zero? This is a very cute question, but there is no marks of cuteness. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत क्यूट है बट क्यूटनेस का मार्क्स नहीं है ना. क्या चेंज होगा भाई? कुछ चेंज होगा क्या? कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा. करके देखो जीरो. वेरी नाइस. राकेश रोशन साहू, इसके पहले मैं लॉग आउट करने बोल दूं 507 जैसा गंदे आंसर ना दे. ठीक से आंसर दो यार. I want the correct answer. Go ahead यार. कैसे करो? I want each and every one of you to give me the correct answer. Bhavesh, this is not a good idea, man. Yes, well done. So how many numbers are there? 44, half, that is 22. So what should be the answer? N into n plus 1. Bhavesh, and there was one more kid who gave the answer. देखो यहाँ पे भी. Oh. एक बार बता ही दूं क्या? 44 I have written, so it means 22 into 22 plus 1 is 23. What does that mean? 506. 22 into 22 is 484 plus 22, that is 506. Is it fine? Each and every one of you. क्या सभी को क्लियर है यहां तक? क्या यहां तक सभी को क्लियर है? तो बताओ. एकदम मस्त तरीके से सभी को क्लियर है? सर आपने क्यों कुछ आप ये क्वेश्चन क्यों लिए? Sir, why have you taken this particular question? One word, just one word. What is that word? This. Sir, you really think that this word maximum is important? Not just maximum. Maxima, minima, these kind of words are very, very important. And not just in your gate. I say the very same thing to CAT aspirants as well. CAT, bank, SSC, GATE, engineering services, in all these paper, maximum, minimum, maximum solution, minimum, these are very, very important words. These are keywords. Sir, can you give an example? Of course I can. Of course I can. Let us suppose capital X has got collection of these elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Capital Y has got 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm giving an example. Let us suppose capital X is a set which has got elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital Y is another set which has got elements, what is that? 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have been told that capital Z can be formed by taking one element from X divided by one element from Y. We are provided with two sets X and Y. X has got element 1, 2, 3, 4. Y has got element, what is that? 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have been told that, और हमें ये बताया गया है कि Z बनता है X से एक एलिमेंट लेने से न्यूमरेटर पे, and in denominator we have to select one element from Y. And then they have given us a very inquisitive question, and what is that? Multiply Z maximum into Z min. That's a very beautifully well crafted question. What do you want? I want maximum Z. How can we get one? Such that the numerator is maximum and the denominator is minimum. Sir, how do you know this? Because every term is positive. If this would not have been the case, so we would have considered positive and negative sign as well. That is not that big a deal. X minimum, Y maximum. That's nice. Once again, very beautiful question. We have been provided with two sets X and Y, and we were told that X has got collection of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. I want complete focus, 200% energy के साथ क्लास में बैठेगा. I want not 100 but 200% energy, right? I'm a very strong believer of the fact that together we can create revolution. मैं आपको रियली प्रॉमिस करता हूं, आई कैन नॉट अलोन क्रिएट, नोबडी कैन अलोन क्रिएट रिवॉल्यूशन, बट यू एंड आई टुगेदर वी कैन क्रिएट रिवॉल्यूशन. दिस इज माई प्रॉमिस टू यू. आप 200% एनर्जी के साथ बैठना. इट इज द एनर्जी दैट क्रिएट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ईच वन ऑफ अस. इट इज द एनर्जी, इट इज आवर चॉइस, इट इज आवर विजन, इट इज आवर पैशन दैट डिटरमाइंस द स्पीड ऑफ आवर सक्सेस. सो गजब टाइप से एनर्जी के साथ बैठना. Forget about the world, forget about everything, forget about the emotion that you're going through. जब यहाँ पे बैठे हो, be there wherever you are. So Z maximum is Y maximum upon X minimum maximum upon Y minimum. Great. What is the maximum value for X? 4. So this is 4. What is the minimum value for Y? It's 5. Whoa, superb. This is quite an interesting question. X minimum 1. Oh, sorry, yaar. X minimum 1. Yeah. And what do you want? Y maximum 8. So the answer must be, oh sorry, कट कर लेते, थोड़ा सा और हो जाएगा कट. The answer must be 2/10. 2/10 क्यों कट हो जाएगा तो 1/10. Is it fine everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine everybody? Absolutely. Right? Is it fine? Sir, but once again, I don't think this kind of question will ever come in, GATE paper, GATE aptitude. 2019, IIT Madras. What did I say? I said 2019. IIT Madras has given this question. IIT Madras. What is that they have given, sir? The very same thing. They said capital X is equals to 1, 2, 3. Capital Y is equals to 4, 5, 6. Z can be formed by taking one term, numerator from X and denominator from Y. And what is that they have asked? You need to find Z maximum into Z minimum. Go ahead. Don't take more than 30 seconds. I want you people to fire your answers in 30 seconds. Go ahead. 30 seconds, guys, not more than that. 30 seconds. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. Very, very well done. Fabulous. Great. Nice. I think each and every one of you has got the answer. What is the answer? 1/8. Take it. Maximum. Let's take maximum from X. That is 3. Minimum from Y. What is that? 4. And here X minimum. That is 1. Z Y maximum. That is 6. This is nice. So this is 1/8. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? I think it is. Right? Great. Before moving further, wherever you are right now, जहां पर भी हैं आप अभी, choose one of these two things. I don't know where you are, what you're going through, whether you're facing summers or winter, autumn or spring in your life. I don't know whether you're facing good or bad time in your life. But I want you people to categorically decide either of the two words in your life. आप अपने जीवन में जहां पर भी हैं, जो भी फेस कर रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता, अच्छा समय, बुरा समय, ग्रीष्म ऋतु, सर्दी, क्या फेस कर रहे हैं. आई वॉन्ट यू पीपल टू पिक ईदर ऑफ दीज टू थिंग्स. वन डे आई रियली वर्क हार्ड, वन डे आई गिव माई बेस्ट, वन डे आई गिव माई 100%, और enough is enough. This is my day one. I want you people to write either of the two things in the comment box, whatever you feel you are comfortable with. When you think enough is enough, either inspiration or desperation, we need either of the two things. आदमी ऐसा चेंज नहीं होता यार. We are inspired enough, our vision pulls us. There is no better pull power than vision. या तो इंसान इतना इंस्पायर हो जाए कि ये तो मैं बन के रहूंगा, I'll definitely going to be this. और इतना desperate हो जाए, या तो मैं ऐसा तो नहीं जी सकता. Either inspiration or desperation. Either of the two things are required to create change in life. Else otherwise life is चलते रहेगी यार. खुद ही डिसाइड कीजिएगा आप क्या चाहते हैं, और जब डिसाइड कर लेंगे तो उसके बाद फिर कंप्लेन मत करना. When you decide this will be my day one, so don't complain, right? One life, do more. One life, complain less. One life, leave more. Let's move on. I think we should move on, right? Let's take a very basic example once again. A very cute basic example. 10 plus 20 plus 30 up to 100. Right? I want you people to find the sum of this. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग मुझे इसका सम बता दें. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus. Very nice, very innocuous question. Very easy. But what is the sum of this? Well done. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is a very basic AP. So in case of AP, n by 2 first term plus last term. AP के केस में अपन क्या बोलते हैं? Number of terms divided by 2 first term plus last term. How many terms do we have? How many terms we have got? 10. What is the first term? 10. What is the last term? 100. So this is 10 into 55, which is 550. Very nice. Very, very nice. Is it fine? इसको ही देखना फिर से. Watch this carefully, right? थोड़ा सा इसके साथ प्ले करते हैं. कैसे? अगर इस पे ही हमें बोला जाए, if we have been asked, find the average in the very same case. Average sum divided by number of cases. That is sum divided by n. I can take this n over here. अरे हाँ यार. और first term plus last term divided by 2. First term plus last term divided by 2. 10 plus 100 divided by 2. 55 would be the average. Is it fine, everybody? I think it is clear to each and every one of you. Is it fine? Sir, what you have actually done over here? अगर हमसे सम पूछा गया तो n by 2 फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म. अगर इसी में हमसे एवरेज पूछ लिया गया तो एवरेज होता क्या है यार? Whatever the sum is divided by number of events. तो sum divided by n, लेकिन मैंने n को जैसे नीचे लाया ना, what I have found a plus l divided by 2. This is what I am left with. Nice यार. इसका मतलब ये हुआ क्या? देखना तो. क्या इसका मतलब ये हुआ? If 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 50 up to 500, this is written, right? And we are not asked the sum, rather we have been asked what is the average of this. Can anyone give me the answer in 10 seconds? Can anyone give me the answer in 10 seconds? है क्या 10 सेकंड वाला कोई है? What is the average in this case? 10 सेकंड वाला है क्या कोई? Anyone? 10 seconds please. Well done. Absolutely. Absolutely. Average is S of n upon n. ये टाइम पास मत करो यार, ये सब क्यों टाइम पास कर रहे हो? This basically means first term plus last term divided by 2. What is the first term? 10. What is the last term? 500. So what is that? 10 plus 500 divided by 2. That's nice. So the answer must be 255. Sir, once again I found this question very, very easy. Yes, it was easy. Sir, मेरे हिसाब से ये प्रश्न बहुत ही ज्यादा आसान था, तो था ना? मैंने कहा मना किया. Is it clear to every one of you? In the year 2014, IIT Kharagpur made the paper and this is what they have given. 2014, IIT Kharagpur made the paper and this is what they have given. है क्या कोई देखना आंसर बताने वाला बच्चा? देखते हैं. रेडी? ठीक है, रेडी रहिएगा. 10 plus 20 plus 30 up to no they have given till 190 actually 190 and then they asked find the average. उन्होंने यहां तक के लिखा और पूछा इसका एवरेज क्या होगा. Go ahead. Less than 10 seconds. Anyone for less than 10 seconds? Less than 10 seconds. Wait. Well done. I think this is absolutely fine. Is it clear, everybody? Yes, of course. 2014 IIT Kharagpur has asked this question. So 10 plus 190, that is 200 divided by 2. So 200 divided by 2 is equals to 100. Barely 2 to 3 seconds, not more than that. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Very, very nice. Great. बहुत बढ़िया. I think it is clear to each and every one of you, right? Right? I need to make an announcement right at the end regarding the special class. I'll make an announcement, right? Even if I forget, please let me know in the comment box. Right at the end, but अभी सुनते जाना. मुझे कुछ लास्ट में स्पेशल क्लास के लिए अनाउंसमेंट करना है. अगर मैं भूल भी जाऊं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बता देना. वन मोर थिंग, ये वाला पॉइंट सुनना. प्लीज लिसन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. Even when we say two consecutive numbers, two consecutive odd numbers, two consecutive even numbers. Listen to this, huh? Even when we say two consecutive odd numbers, two consecutive even numbers, two consecutive odd numbers, और two consecutive numbers. जैसे एक काम करते हैं, मैं एक क्वेश्चन ले लेता हूँ. 2016 में एसएससी में एक सवाल आया था, उसमें बोला था उन्होंने, in the year 2016, SSC has given a question. Over there, they have said the sum of three consecutive number. They have said the sum of three consecutive numbers is equals to, the sum of three consecutive numbers is equals to 51. Right? This is what they asked. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 51. Find the middle number. ये मेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं, ये एसएससी क्वेश्चन है. दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन द ईयर 2016 बाय एसएससी. एनीवन हु कैन टेल मी द आंसर? एनीवन हु कैन टेल मी द आंसर? द सम ऑफ थ्री कॉन्सेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स इज दिस. वेरी नाइस, एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेट, वेल डन. क्या क्या लिख रहे हो? एब्सोल्युटली. दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर एग्जाम, राइट? राइट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. करेक्ट है. So this is x plus 1, x plus 2 is equals to 51. ठीक है यार, तो बहुत ही आसान निकल गया. 1 plus 2 is 3. 51 minus 3 is 48. x, that is 3x is equals to 48. X is equals to 16. So one number is 16, the other one is 17, and definitely the third one would be 18. So middle number would be 17. This kind of question once again is very very important in your exam. सर ये तो आप डायरेक्टली फ्लैट बता दिए. बताता हूँ यार, इसको थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग कर दिए, मजेदार नहीं है. जब कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लेना ही तो कुछ अच्छा लेते ना. If we have been told that the sum of four consecutive, let's take four consecutive odd ले लेते हैं. The sum of four consecutive odd numbers. This is the question which was asked in the year 2018 in SSC exam. In the year 2018, they've asked this. What is that they have asked? The sum of four consecutive odd number is 328. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. The sum of four consecutive odd numbers is 328. Find the numbers. Anyone? Go ahead. फटाफट बेहतरीन तरीके से आप जाएंगे. वेरी नाइस. हाँ, इसमें टाइम पास ज्यादा करना नहीं अपने को. ऑड ही तो लेना है ना. अब आप खुद से सोचो ना, अगर मैं एक नंबर को डिफाइन करता हूं, इफ आई डिफाइन द फर्स्ट नंबर एज x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, don't you think it's a good idea? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 4 square, 16. अब भी तो किया. Just few minutes back we've done this. If I define the first number as x plus 1, second number is x plus 3, x plus 5, आसान नहीं होगा? Won't it be easy? x, x, x and x, that is 4x. This is 4x यार. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, sum of four consecutive odd numbers, 4 square, 16. This is nice, yeah. This is absolutely nice. 328. Subtract कर दिया 328 से. This is 312. So x is equals to 78. 78 is not the number. X plus 1 is the number. So the first number would be 78 plus 1, that is 79. After that 79 के बाद 81. After that 83. After that 85. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear to all? Yes, well done. Very nice. Most of the people have got the correct answer. I think this is absolutely fine. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear to all? ये तो sum हो गया ना. From my side, the sum of consecutive numbers, this kind of concept is important for a GATE exam. Do remember this. This particular pattern is important to your exam. Right? So you were saying something regarding the product. Yes. Now come to my territory. How come? बताता हूं. The product of two consecutive numbers, the product of two consecutive odd numbers, the product of two consecutive even numbers. जाने दो. Forget about it. Write x square. Sir, how can you write it like this? I have the marker. That is why. Yaar, this will be incorrect if I write equal to. Instead of writing this, I can write this. Sir, so you're not writing the exact answer. Who wants an exact answer? I just want to feel the question so that I can have a tentative idea what the answer looks like. Thus, listen to this carefully. The product of three consecutive numbers, three consecutive odd numbers, three consecutive even numbers. Take x cube. X into x into x. So that we can have a tentative idea. Sir, how this will help you? Let us suppose if we have been asked in the year 2018 in SSC, they have asked this. In the year 2018 in SSC exam, they have asked this particular question. The product of two consecutive even numbers. The product of two consecutive even numbers is 168. What did I taught you? Take x square. So that you can have an idea. 12 square is 144. After 12, 14 square is 196. 12 square is 144. 14 square is 196. Okay, fine. This must be 12 then. The answer is 12 into 14. This is the answer. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear to all? Just to get a tentative idea. In the year 2018, they have asked this question. The product of two consecutive even numbers is 168. In case of any reservations, in case of any doubt, you can post. I won't say I'll see every single doubt, but yes, I'll see most of them, right? I tried to answer most of them. What was the question? Yeah, in the year 2018, SSC asked this. The product of two consecutive even numbers is 168. Forget about those kind of things. ये कुछ बच्चे quadratic लिख रहे हैं ना. अरे भूल जाओ यार quadratic. Yeah, you might have got a quadratic question. Permutation combination probability, Tarun Patel. I'll be taking one more special class tomorrow itself. Don't worry. Take it, Tarun. So I have already answered your point. I'll be taking one special class today and I'll be taking one more special class tomorrow. Right? Because all of you guys are actually giving your earnest effort. So I thought, let me take. Okay? Fine. So I'll be taking permutation combination probability, a special class tomorrow. Let's come back to this. So the product of two even numbers is 168. Instead of writing x plus 2 into x plus 4, instead of writing x plus 2 into x plus 4, or instead of writing 2x plus 2 into 2x plus 4. Sir, so don't you think this is better? For what? Competitive exam में क्या step marking होती है क्या यार? There is no step marking in competitive exam, so why you are concerned about this? Let's take this approach. Is it fine? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Fine? Is it fine? Is it clear to each and every one of you? I do believe that it is absolutely clear. This question was asked in the year 2018. I think it is absolutely clear. Is it fine, everybody? Right? इसके आगे भी जा सकता हूं मैं. We can go ahead of this, but That is not required. We can take three numbers, three consecutive odd numbers, three consecutive even numbers. That I'll take later on. Once you gain some maturity, then I'll take that. Fine. Listen to this. In case of missing number in a sequence or in a series, in case of missing number in a sequence or series, a very common pattern in your exam is whatever the first number is, for example, 1, 4, 9 and so on. That is square. Or adding something to square. आप लोगों के एग्जाम में मिसिंग नंबर के पैटर्न कुछ इस तरह से आते हैं. They will directly give you square. Or square plus or minus 1, 2, 3, like this. They will directly give you cubes. Yesterday I have shown one example. Or they will add or subtract something to cube. Listen to this. Whatever I'm saying, this is very, very important. Or they'll give you a sequence and the next term would be half of that. The next term would be further half of that. Or 1/3 or 2/3. Especially this 2/3 is very, very important. This 2/3 is very important in most of the competitive exam. In fact, in your exam in the year 2014, IIT Kharagpur has given a very specific question. I would be really happy if you can answer this question. Which question? This one. 81 IIT Kharagpur. 2014 IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur has given this question. What is that they've given? 81, 50, 54, 36, 24, the next term. Anyone? Don't take more than 30 seconds. First of all, see this. What kind of sequence has been given to you? Is it a decreasing or increasing sequence? ठीक है? Great. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. Absolutely phenomenal. Go ahead. Well done. Yes. We can clearly see that this is 2/3. So 18 into 2 is 54. 2/3. That is 36. 2/3. 12 into 2 is 24. Then furthermore 2/3. Great, man. Superb. So the answer would be 16. This is not my question. This question came in your exam 2014 when IIT Kharagpur has given this question. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine? Is it clear? Great. आज IIT खड़गपुर के बारे में बात हुई है और किसी ने क्वाड्रेटिक क्वेश्चन वाली बात की, तो एक काम करते हैं, एक पॉइंट और सुन लो. When we were young kids in our adolescence, हम लोगों ने इस तरह के सवाल सॉल्व किए. We actually have solved this kind of question. Do you remember this? Do we remember this? This particular kind of question? Whatever book you have referred, R.D. Sharma साहब की किताब, R.S. अग्रवाल साहब की किताब, NCERT ही, this is what we have solved. And how we have solved this kind of question? We used to take this as X, and this is how we used to solve. I'm not saying you to solve it right now. I'll tell you something. Listen to this. And then further, किसी बच्चे ने बोला ना quadratic equation. Someone said about quadratic equation and this 6 plus x. So this is x square minus x is equals to 6. Great. Ultimately, how this thing pans out. Very basic quadratic equation, because most of you are from engineering background. So I do believe that you are in this position to solve this. Great. Absolutely fine. So we know how to solve this. This is x square minus 3x plus 2x. But still, let me write this actually. This. So this is x minus 3 plus 2, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is x plus 2 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2 or 3. Here, because it is square root, it cannot have a negative value. Oh, sorry. It cannot have a negative value, and that is why we need to scrap it off. So this is the answer. This is what we are accustomed with. This is what we have always solved, right? This is how we have always solved this kind of question. Sir, you have any better strategy for this? Yes, I do have. I do have. What is that? Now listen to this. This is what we have done in the past. These are, very pattern based questions. What kind of pattern based questions? Listen to this. Root over 6 plus root over 6 plus root over 6 plus root over 6 and so on. For this particular pattern, and when the number which has been given to you is a product of two consecutive numbers, like in this case, इस पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न के बारे में आपसे मैं बात कर रहा हूं, और जब जो भी नंबर इसके अंदर दिया है वो दो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर का प्रोडक्ट है, तब मैं उस केस में आपसे बात कर रहा हूं. जैसे इन दिस केस 6 इज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 into 3. 6 जो है प्रोडक्ट है 2 and 3 का. लिसन टू दिस, ध्यान से सुना. 6 is product of 2 into 3. 6 is product of 2 into 3. A small funda. What is that funda? The funda is this. Whatever sign is written over here, give it to the larger number. 2, 3. Which one is larger? 3 minus 2. Whatever sign is written over here, give it to the larger one. 2, 3. Which one is larger? 3. And thus, we can categorically reject this negative. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is not a bad strategy to have. Sir, what is that you said? In this particular pattern, when the numbers are product of two consecutive. Sir, if they are not, in that case, the quadratic bana dena. So in this particular case, when they are product of two consecutive numbers, break it. 2, 3. Whatever sign is written over here, give it to the bigger number. Sir, for example, if there is 20, let us suppose if this is root over 20. If this is root over 20. And so on, right? And so on. And root over 20 minus root over 20 minus root over 20 and so on. In this case, what is that you are saying, sir? इसमें आप क्या बता रहे हैं? What is 24 into 5? What is 24 into 5? Product of two consecutive numbers. And then what is that I mentioned? I said this sign, give it to the bigger number. 5. This sign, give it to the bigger number. तो ये क्या हो गया? नेगेटिव ही हो गया, पॉजिटिव. Reject the negative one. Rejected. This is the answer. This is the answer. Is it clear to all? Is it fine, everybody? This is not at all a bad idea, right? 2014 IIT Kharagpur has asked this question. What is that they have asked? 2014 IIT Kharagpur has asked this particular question. What is that they have asked? 12 plus 12. मेरे फिनिश करने के पहले I want answer. I want an answer before I finish writing this question. IIT Kharagpur has given this question. I am giving you the second part of this as well. 12 minus 12 minus 12 and so on. Yeah. Go ahead. Mark the answer. Well done. Well done. Absolutely correct. Make sure फटाफट मार्क करो. इस पे टाइम मत लगाओ. Is it clear, everybody? Well done. बहुत बढ़िया. So what is this? This is 3 into 4. This 12 is 3 into 4. And after this, whatever the sign is given, give it to the bigger number. So this is minus. Whatever sign is, give it to the bigger number. So this is plus. That's the answer. This question came in IIT. Is it clear, everybody? Is everybody fine with this? Is everybody fine with every single piece of information, whatever we've discussed so far? यहां तक सभी को क्लियर है? एकदम मस्त तरीके से क्लियर तो बताओ. सुपर्ब तरीके से क्लियर है? Is it fine? चलो, बहुत बढ़िया. I think it is absolutely fine, right? So I think it is absolutely fine. You won't believe. एक बार SSC के पेपर में 2011 I guess, they've asked a very basic, very fundamental question. They said, let capital N is a number. 2011 SSC. Let capital N is a number. When this number is divided by 5, the remainder pans out to be 2. जब कैपिटल N को 5 से डिवाइड किया जाता है तब रिमाइंडर आता है 2. What will be the remainder when n square is divided by 5? I think you are good enough to give me the answer of this question. 10 seconds. When n is divided by 5, the remainder comes out to be 2. What is going to happen when n square is divided by 5? Go ahead. Fatafat answer देंगे. Don't take more than 10 seconds. Don't take more than 10 seconds. Every single piece of information, the devil is in the details. I want the people to write every single piece of information, whatever we discuss. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया. In case of n, we've got 2. In case of n square, this will be 2 into 2 divided by 5. The answer is 4. Now listen to this, why I've taken this question. The answer is 4, it's absolutely correct. Listen to this. How less this 4 is. Sir, from whom? From which number actually? From this 5. How less this 4 is? 1 less. Okay. Because it is 1 less, so we can also write it like this. Both these answers are correct, and this is what negative remainder concept is. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear, boy? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Yes. Negative remainder. Put up -1. Lalit, Kamla Harris ji hai kya? So this is 4 or -1. Is it fine, everybody? This is the concept of negative remainder. That's not at all that difficult a question. Yeah? Yes, it is. Indeed, this is not. Sir, can we have one more question? Yes. 2013, I guess. Yes, correct. 2013 SSC. In SSC, they have given a similar kind of question. They said when n is divided by 6. They said when n is divided by 6, the remainder comes out to be 4. So what will be the remainder when 2n is divided by 6? आप लोग मुझे negative and positive, I want both the remainders, negative remainder and positive remainder. Positive and negative remainder. Go ahead. Don't take more than 10 seconds. Don't take more than 10 seconds. Don't take more than 10 seconds. Absolutely. So this is 2 into 4. What is that? This is 8 divided by 6. So what should be the remainder? The remainder would be 2 or -4. I think this is clear to each and every one of you. Is it fine, everybody? Yeah, most of you have got the correct answer. That's fine. I think it is absolutely fine. So level up karte hain. Let's level up the game. Let's level up the game. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Listen to this. Capital N is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on. And 3. Anyone who's feeling exhausted? Are you feeling exhausted? Are we feeling exhausted? Right? Anyone who's feeling exhausted? Fine. Shall we continue? I don't think we are tired, right? You're my students, you're not allowed to be tired. Okay? You're not allowed to be tired. Right? So, अपने को exhaust होना नहीं भाई. You know what? Many a times we believe that once I achieve this, I don't have to do anything after this. Once I become this, I don't have to do anything. This is not true. This is not true at all. And I won't tell you this. So, once you are done with this journey, a new journey will start. Once you have achieved something in life, a new voyage will start. And then after that, again a new voyage will start. So then how long should I run? You are a runner. You are destined to run. A runner is the one who runs on his good days. Sir, what the runner is supposed to do on his bad days? Just run. You are a runner. You are destined to run. Sir, how long? Till you find your oasis. And once I find my oasis, after that, we'll go for a new voyage. That is how the life is. I want people to write in the comment box, a good traveler never arrives. Write it in the comment box, a good traveler never arrives. If we are a traveler, then what is the point in stopping? Right? A good traveler never arrives. After this, we'll go for a new expedition. That is how the life has been. That is what the life has been. There are many people who came into this world. There are many people who will going to come into this world. This thing will go on forever. We should enjoy the trip. Enjoy this journey. Sir, what this journey is? The journey of becoming. I want you people to write this categorically in your notebook. Listen to this. Listen to this. The greatest value in human life, the greatest value in human life is not what you get. The greatest value in human life is not what you get. The greatest value in human life is what you become. Life is to become. Life is to become something extraordinary. Life is to surpass your own limitations. Life is to evolve. We need to find our cosmos in this chaos. There is no competition. The best part of this life is there is nothing to prove. We are fighting against our own limitations. If someone is telling you that you are fighting against this and that person, they are selling you something. We are fighting against our own limitations. And every single time when you fight against your own limitation, you earn something, and that is called self-esteem and self-respect. And those self-esteem and self-respect are important. Those moments are important in life. Right? Let's move ahead. So, let us suppose if this question is given to us. Right. Capital N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on. Right? Capital N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. Let's take a small question actually. Let's take up to 3 factorial. And if we have been asked that capital N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial, right? And we have been asked that what will be the remainder. Listen to this very, very carefully. ध्यान से सुनना आप सभी लोग. When this N is divided by, let us suppose 3. What is the meaning of this? ध्यान से सुनना. 1 factorial is divided by 3. 2 factorial is divided by 3. 3 factorial is divided by 3. Nice. यही तो चीज हम लोगों ने कॉलेज में पढ़ा है ना, स्कूल में पढ़ा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ के नाम से. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव रेड इन स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज, एंड दिस हैज बीन टर्म्ड एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. 1 factorial divided by 3, the remainder would be 1. 2 factorial divided by 3, the remainder would be 2. 3 factorial divided by 3, the remainder would be 0. 1 plus 2 is once again 3, and thus the remainder pans out to be 0. Fabulous. That's not at all a bad idea. This is not at all a bad idea. Sir, we could have, added all these numbers and we could have straight away divided by 3. Yes, we could have done that. But think about this, in case if we have a sequence like this, 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and up to 100 factorial, and if we are asked that what will be the remainder when n is divided by 5, then there is no point adding 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. There is no point up to 100 factorial तक के, right? ध्यान से सुनते आना. There is no point adding 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to. There is no point adding all these numbers. So instead of adding all these numbers, what we can do, we can solve it like this. 1 factorial divided by 5. This is 2 factorial divided by 5. This is 3 factorial divided by 5. This is 4 factorial divided by 5. 5 factorial divided by 5. And so on. Up to 100 factorial divided by 5. आप इसको डायरेक्टली इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 1 factorial divided by 5, 2 factorial divided by 5, 3 factorial divided by 4, 5 factorial and so on. Sir, why you've written till here? What kind of numbers will be divisible by 5? The numerator which has got at least 1 5. Because this number has got 1 5, that is why when you divide it by 5, the remainder comes out to be 0. It means any number after this, in this case, the remainder will be 0. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear to each and every one of you? 1 factorial divided by 5 is 1. 2 factorial divided by 5 is 2. 3 factorial divided by 5 is 1. 4 factorial, that is 24, divided by 5 is 4. Once again, we can divide it by 5. This is not at all a bad idea. That is 4 plus 1 is 5, remainder 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is not at all a bad question, man. This is actually a very nice question. Put up a single star on this. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it clear? Comment box में फटाफट बता जाएंगे. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 100 factorial. Right? When n is divided by 5, then what is the remainder? This is the question. When n is divided by 5, the remainder क्या आएगा? We could have easily written it like this. What kind of numerator is divisible by 5? The numerator which has got at least 1 5. If it has got at least 1 5, in that case 5 factorial and onwards. अरे जितने भी factorial number होंगे जब 5 से divide होंगे remainder आ जाएगा 0. So what is that we are left with? 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. That is it. Is it clear, everybody? Is it absolutely clear? Is it fine? Sir, you mean to say that कि अगर 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial हर एक का divide by 5 कर देंगे, you can directly get the answer. Yes. Now listen to the next part of this. If capital N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 10 factorial. Listen to this very, very carefully. If we are asked when n is divided by 6, what will be the remainder? Even before proceeding this question, listen to this. ध्यान से सुनना. What kind of number will be divisible by 6? Factorize it. 6 का मतलब होता है 6 is equals to 2 into 3. So the numerator which has got a 2 at least and a 3 at least, those kind of numerators are divisible by 6. Is it clear, everybody? The numerator which has got a 2 and a 3 will be divisible by 6. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? The numerator which has got a 6, a 2 and a 6. सभी को यहाँ तक clear? The numerator which has got a 2 and a 6. It means, check करते हैं. 3 factorial is equals to 3 into 2 into 1. Great. It means that 3 factorial has got a 3 and a 2. Any factorial number after 3 factorial and onwards when divided by 6 will give remainder 0. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Any factorial number from 3 factorial and onwards will, when divided by 6, will going to give you remainder 0. It means this question is as good as 1 factorial divided by 6, 2 factorial divided by 6 plus 0. Everything, for everything the remainder would be 0. Is it clear to each one of you? 1 factorial divided by 6 will going to give you 1, 2 factorial divided by 6 will going to give you 2. So the answer is 3. I think it is absolutely clear to each and every one of you. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it fine? Is it clear? Is it clear to each and every one of you? In one of the competitive exams, they have asked this question. What's the question that they have asked? This is what they have asked. capital N is equals to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on up to 20 factorial. This is a good one. What will be the remainder when n is divided by 20? What is the first thing that we should do? Factorize this. 20 it means 2 square into 5. सबसे पहली चीज आपको क्या करनी चाहिए? जो भी डिनोमिनेटर दिया गया है उसे फैक्टराइज कीजिए. What is 20? 20 is 2 square into 5. What is the meaning of that? All those numerators which have got a 2 square and a 5 will be divisible by 20. Is it clear to each and every one of you? I want an answer. Go ahead. Take not more than 1 minute. Great. Well done. Take not more than 1 minute, please. Within 1 minute, you should give the answer. All the numbers, all the numerators which has got a 2 square, a 2 square and at least a 5, they're divisible by 2, 0, 20. Right? Absolutely. Well done. Good. मुझे यही उम्मीद थी आप लोगों से. Very good. So let's see कहाँ पे आता भाई ये 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it means this is 5. What is 4? 4 is 2 square. Okay, fine. Great. Well done. So any numerator including 5 factorial and onwards, all the numerator will going to give, when divided by 20, will give remainder 0. So now this question is as good as this. That's it. This is fantastic. 1 factorial divided by 20, the answer would be 1. 2 factorial divided by 20, answer would be 2. 3 factorial divided by 20, the answer would be 6. 4 factorial is 24 divided by 20. Oh, sorry. Divide by 20, the answer would be 4. So the answer is 6 plus 4, 10. And plus this is 13. Put up a double star on this. It's that good a question. It is a very, very nice question. Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to each one of you? Because we've done a really good question, I think you deserve a breathing space. What kind of breathing space? In the year 2015, IIT Kanpur has given a very basic question. What is that they have given? A, comma, C, D, G, H, I, question mark. Here there is a question mark, right? You need to find a number over here. U, V, W, X, Y. U, V, W, X, Y. A, comma, C, D, comma, G, H, I. You need to find a number over here. Sir, but options? I don't care. I don't think you need an option. Go ahead. Don't take more than 1 minute. I need an answer within 1 minute. I want an answer within 1 minute. Go ahead. Very good. Absolutely. Well done. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. Very, very well done. Nice. A, B, C plus 2. D, E, F, G plus 3. I, J, K, L, M plus 4. One digit, one alphabets, 2, 3, 4 alphabets. After I, J, K, L, M. So this would be M, N, O, P. Is it clear to each and every one of you? Is it fine, everybody? Is it clear to each and every one of you? Has everybody understood every single piece of information, whatever we have discussed? Right? So, an important announcement for today's and tomorrow's special class. Shall I make one? Okay. So, what is this? I have put up a special class for you guys. Let me see. I think it got hanged actually. That's fine. I think actually this got stuck. I have made a special class for you guys, but I think that actually got stuck. This is just a minute. Now it is fine, I guess. Why this got stuck? Okay, fine. Anyways, let me tell you this. So, because you guys are putting real good effort, and that is why I have planned a special class today and tomorrow. Fine. Will that be good enough? Sir, what kind of special class? Other than the one which I'll be taking in the evening. I'll be taking a class at 10 in the evening, late evening. Other than that, we're going to have one more special class, Vocab Masti. In that particular class, we'll be dealing with vocabulary. Right? It will be a 2-hour session and it will be a fun ride. आपको मजा आएगा पढ़ के. Right? So, I'll be taking a vocab session, specially dedicated vocab session, which is relevant and important to your exam. Just to let you know how to develop vocabulary. Right? जब आप बोलते हो ना, see, Veer Zara, interminable love of Veer and Zara. Wow. Whoa. What happened? Interminable love of Veer and Zara, unending love of Veer and Zara. Interminable, unending. Interminable synonym, perennial. Opposite, ephemeral. दर्द मिटाए चुटकी में. चुटकी में चिपकाए. जिफी में चिपकाए. जिफी. I'll be back in a jiffy. ठरकी छोकरो आयो रे. Salacious छोकरो आयो रे. Debauched छोकरो आयो रे. So these kind of things. What we'll do, we'll connect these vocabulary to different things. What actually we come across. Rajamouli Sahab, absolute genius, absolute sweetheart. These kind of genius. Bahubali is magnum opus of Rajamouli Sahab. Absolute masterpiece. Many people considered this Malgudi Days an absolute paragon. Fabulous. So these kind of things we're going to discuss, right? So actually this got stuck, otherwise I would have shown you. So we're going to have this vocab masti session today itself in the evening at 6. And Ravi Babu sir's YouTube channel and Creatrix channel. We've already made a link for you guys. So what you can do, you can go and if you want, you can like the session. And anyways, we're going to meet at 10 in the evening as well. And coming to this part, you can always install an Academy app and you can use my code. My code is ST26 if you want. ST26. This is my code for Plus subscription and for Iconic subscription. Both the subscriptions are phenomenal. If you use this code, you can straight away avail the benefit of 10%. My credentials are written over there, but I'll take that in the next class. Actually, it got stuck. Else, I would have shown you every single thing. No, it actually got stuck. I'm really sorry. Right? So, we're going to meet at 6 in the evening and after that at 10 in the evening. Right? Until then, bye-bye everybody. Take care. Jai Hind.